maganda ang drawing at proposal,
Mhm.
pero iba yung naging bahay.
Mhm.
So sa perspective mo, saan madalas nagkakaproblema? Is it on the design, sa contractor, or sa mismong expectations ng owner?
I think, sir, lahat ng involved in the construction may pine-play na role kung ano man yung maging problem sa construction. Siguro kung i-elaborate ko further, sa design part kasi, which is usually yung nauuna, lahat kasi ng ginagawa natin sa design is all theoretical in nature. So, ipepresent nyo kami with a lot plan, for example. Meron kayong navivision na gusto nyo mangyari sa bahay or sa property. As designers, ang goal namin is to i-drawing kung ano yung navivisualize nyo for your property, basically. Pero, minsan, may mga bagay na on-site mo lang makikita. So when you actually do the construction may mga restrictions, may mga problems, in which case, ang nangyayari is kailangan mag-adjust ng design. So there's no way of implementing this or that. So mag-a-adjust tayo, magkakaroon ng changes sa ganito, sa ganun. Sa contractor's side naman, actually yun yung medyo minsan malaking factor talaga. Especially if yung contractor is hindi talagang expert sa ginagawa nila. So malaki yung nangyayaring deviation from the expected design dun sa nagiging output. If contractor ang sisisihin, it's mostly because of expertise talaga, technical expertise. Then for the owner naman, I think may lapses din kasi we have encountered owners po na nasa daliri yung plano. So when I say nasa daliri yung plano, etong pader na to, lipat mo doon. Hindi,
Yung pala tawag doon, nasa
yes po,
daliri yung plano. Si
hindi siya,
Eugene.
hindi siya madali on our end, hindi siya madali sa designer's end. Siguro the owner will think na parang, pader lang naman yan, saglit nyo nga lang tinayo, mabilis nyo lang ililipat. Pero in reality, we have to consider a lot of aspects before we do that certain command. And including yung momentum ng tauhan namin nasisira,
Tama.
yung vision ng designer nasisira. So I think lahat ng involved sa construction may piniplay na factor when it comes to delays or problems. Pero at the end of the day, ang pinaka-importante is dapat properly collaborated or maayos yung communication ng lahat ng professionals and the clients para maitayo ng maayos yung property.